If you want to experience the best of our world and the best people in our world, HCI Live is the place to be.
So was it worth it traveling a whole day to get to HCI Live?
100% worth it. Absolutely worth every dollar. It's worth it because when you walk into the room for the very first time, you realise that you're with like-minded people and there's so much love in the room. And that can be quite overwhelming, it can be quite daunting and scary, but by the end of it, you've realised that everyone's embracing each other and there is no competition. Everyone's working together as a tribe, as a community to do fantastic work throughout the whole world. So yeah, it's 100% worth it.
I loved the chance to practice the skills labs, to be coached and to be a coach, and to really feel that fire and that flow of like, why do we do this? The level of connection with someone when you're in person is just like, it's kind of freaky, you know, it's just like very, very intense to be able to feel that person emotions shifting and changing throughout the course of the conversation.
So you've been to a few of these HCI Lives. Why do you keep coming back?
The community, the people, and the growth. I learn something different every single time I come to live, and I find a breakthrough every time, and I find a different connection every single time, and my circle keeps getting bigger with accountability partners, with friends, potential business partners. It's just amazing. So, I mean, how can you not come once you experience that?
My favorite part was probably the fireside chat. You just got very intimate and real with Carrie and Stacy. And then also the talk with Dr. Sean Stevenson. It was just amazing. Like, you can't put into words just how many feelings you feel when they're talking. They're just all incredibly awesome people. And I'm honored to be in the same room and just be able to listen to their advice and guidance.
You have to show up. Even if nothing is improved, you show up. Because eventually showing up is going to lead to something good, but if you don't show up, what happens?
The things that matter don't take a lot of time, they take a lot of guts.
So what is your biggest takeaway from this event?
My biggest takeaway is you have no excuses. You do what you want to do, and the way and how much of it you want to do, that's totally up to you.